Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lottie Ann Silvis, and I want to share with you the upcoming event I'm going to do next Sunday at the Aloha Fair. And I did make some hula girls, and I'm going to share them with you right now. Alright, these are the hula girls that I've made, and they are so cute. I use a basic doll pattern, and I created my own hair and put a flower. I did put little grass skirts on all of them. I think I made like 5 of them for this upcoming show, and they all look different. They all look unique. This one is really different. This is actually the very first one I made, but it was a lot of work just doing the hair like this. And so I basically it kind of looks like a Filipino Hawaiian girl. Actually, it's a really cute one too. So, but the other ones are basically like Aloha girls to me. And I did make a lilo. I'm making another lilo. And I made this one. My husband calls this one Deeza. He calls this one me because of the hair. And this one took a lot of work. It's a little bit bigger doll. But I'm planning to make more dolls like this one. And,
watch out! So, Mama! Mai Tahiti, Yorana! Pahora, Yorana! Everybody, Yorana! Bora, bora! ladies and gentlemen. That's a little treat, young and old, of some of the dancers from our dance school, Kamakani Komohana. I'm going to plug it. I'm a real bad salesman, so please forgive me. But, since the pandemic, we actually opened our studio just before the pandemic started in 2020. And we had to close it after the first 2 weeks. And so we've managed to reopen it once again just recently. And so we are looking for new students, we're looking for more students, we're looking for activity, we're looking for fun, and we're looking for ways to spread the Aloha spirit, the knowledge of the South Pacific Islands, and also to get some healthy exercise, to get out under the sky, to move your movie just a little bit, and get healthy again. So if you want any information about our school, Kamakani, there's the booth right there on the end, and you could take something home and read it with you. And it's local, just down this Dedinger Boulevard, just straight here. So before we continue, we're bringing out our other dancers. No luau celebration is properly commenced without the invocation of the sacred word of Hawaii, and we know that word is Aloha, right? We know the general meaning of Aloha, right? It means Kaiser, it means hello, goodbye. But today, on the Lord's Day, we celebrate the deep meaning of Aloha. Aloha, the energy that rises with the sun. Aloha,
So cute.
the gift
Look at the way he
that
sits.
is given to each of us. And Aloha, the gift that we give to one another. So as I say the word Aloha, open up your hearts. We're going to bring the mana right to this very spot in Huntington Beach. Let's do a test, okay? Repeat after me. Aloha! That was sorry. I have to tell you. We could do better than that. It's not just a word. It's a feeling. Let me hear it. Aloha! Aloha! Keep your eyes on the dancers, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. More than all, those little pearly shells.
I'm here, so I'm here, so if you need anything. Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Okay, so
You want that one?
I invite you guys to come up and dance with us. If you want to do this song,
And she's 45.
well, come up and we
All right,
can,
thank
anybody,
you.
you can dance right there in the audience if you want to stand up and try it.